and good afternoon. We are from Faculty of Public Administrative Science and Policy Studies, course code AM110. We are going to present about our assignment about compound interest and annuity. Before we go any further, I would like to introduce our teammates. My name is Cristobal Elsalajo.
Hello, my name is May Amanda.
Hi, my name is Arisa Frederick.
Hello everyone, my name is Emily Quentin.
So let's proceed to our first question. RM600 is invested for 5 years, 6 months. The investment is offered an interest rate of 7% compounded every 6 months for the first 2 years and 9% compounded every 3 months for the rest of the period. The first question. Determine the accumulated amount at the end of the investment period. In this question, accumulated amount refers to S, meaning this question wants us to find what is S. So in the passage, we can identify what is our P, what is our I, and what is our N, where P equals to RM600, I equals to 0.07 over 2. This, we will be using it in step 1, and in step 2, we will be using 0.09 over 4. And lastly, N equals to 2 bracket 5.5. First step, we need to find S for the first 2 years. We will be using the compound interest formula, which S equals to P bracket 1 plus K over M power of M times T. And then we substitute the value in the formula, where S1 equals to 600 bracket 1 plus 0.07 over 2 power of 2 times 2. We will get S1 equals to RM 688 ringgit and 51 cent. Second step is we need to find the S for the remaining 3 years, 5 months. We'll be using the same formula in step 1, which is S equals to P bracket 1 plus K over M power of M times T. Then we substitute the value P with S1, which we had already done earlier in step 1, which is 688 ringgit 51 cent bracket 1 plus 0.09 over 4 power of 4 times 3.5. And we will get the accumulated amount at the end of the investment period, which is RM 940 ringgit and 15 cent. The second question, calculate the interest earned at the end of the investment period. Here, this question wants us to find the interest earned at the end of the investment period, also means total interest earned. We will be using the compound interest formula, which is I equals to S minus P, where S equals to RM 940 ringgit and 15 cent minus P, which is equals to RM 600. After we minus these two values, we will get the total interest, which is RM 340 ringgit and 15 cent.
This is my part. Question 2. To start a business, Susanti has taken a loan of RMZ at a rate of 7.5%, compounded every 2 months. After 2 years, Susanti has to pay 99,000. Find the value of RMZ. So, first we have to find I and then find Z. So, the I, we use I equals K over M formula. So the K is 0.075 over 6, which why 6? Because it's compounded every 2 months, so it's 6 times. So, and then we got the answer 0.0125. Moving on, we use the S equals P in bracket 1 plus I power n formula to find P, which is Z. So the S is 99,000 and it equal the P we change into Z. And then in bracket 1 plus 0.075 over 6, which is the I, to the power of 6 in bracket 2. Then we simplify the ones in the brackets and the power. After that, we got the answers 1.1607545Z. Then we move the number, which we left the Z alone, which is 99,000 divided by 1.1607545. Then we got the answer
Now move to question number 3. These questions are from Annuity chapter 4. ABB Bank offer a personal loan of 5,000 ringgit and a customer has to pay equal monthly payments for 7 years at interest rate of 3.5% compounded monthly. Roman 1. Find the monthly payment for the loan. For this question, we choose present value formula. That A equal R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power negative n over I. A refer to present value, R refer to periodic payment, I is refer to compounding interest rate, and N refer to the number of payment. So, let's move to calculation. Based on the formula, 50,000 ringgit equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 12 power negative 84 over 0.035. After calculate the number in bracket, we will get 50,000 ringgit equal to 74.4056 R. So, R equal to 50,000 over 74.4056. Next, Roman 2. Determine the total interest charge for the loan. For this question, we choose the total interest charge formula that I equal to N R minus A. I refer to compounding interest rate, N refer to the number of payment, R refer to periodic payment, and A refer to present value. So, let's move to the calculation. Based on the formula, I equal 84 in bracket 671.99 minus 50,000. After calculate the number of 84 and the number in bracket, we will get I equal to 56,447.16 minus 50,000. So, the final answer is I equal to 6,447 ringgit 16 cent. Roman 3. Calculate the outstanding balance if the customer decided to settle the loan immediately after the 50 payment. So, this question, we choose the same formula with the question Roman 1, the present value formula. that A equal R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power negative n over I. A refer to present value, R refer to periodic payment, I refer to compounding interest rate, and N refer to the number of payment. So after calculate all the number in a bracket, A equals 671.99 in bracket 32.32371986. And the final answer is A equal to 21,721 ringgit 22 cent. The last one, Roman 4. Calculate the number that customer has to pay on the 50 payment if the customer failed to pay the first 4 monthly payments in order to settle the outstanding area. So, this question we choose future value formula that S equal R in bracket 1 plus I power n minus 1 over I. S refer to future value, R refer to periodic payment, I refer to compounding interest rate, and N refer to the number of payment. So for this question, we need to find the S. R, I, and N has been given that R is 671 ringgit 99 cent. I is 0.035 over 12 because this is for monthly, and N is 5. So let's move to the calculation. Based on the formula, S equals 671.99 in bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 12 power 5 minus 1. So after calculate all the number in bracket, S equal 671.99 in bracket 5.02925.186. And the final answer is S equal to 3,379 ringgit 61 cent.
Question 4. Sabrina borrows Rm 10,000 at 4.8% compounded monthly. She decides to make monthly payment of Rm 250. How long will it take her to pay off the loan? Give your answer in months and rounded to the nearest whole number of months. The formula that we are going to use is A equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power negative n over I, where A equal present value of annuity of interest period. A equals Rm 10,000, R equals Rm 250, I equals 0.048 over 12. So what is N? N is how long will it take her to pay off the loan. 10,000 equals 250 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.048 over 12 bracket power negative n over 0.048 over 12. 40 equals 1 minus bracket 1.004 bracket power negative n over 0.004. 0.16 equals 1 minus bracket 1.004 bracket power of negative n bracket 1.004 bracket power of negative n equals to 0.84. Negative n equals log 0.84 over log 1.004. So the answer is 44 months.
We have reached at the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention.